Welcome to my channel. I'm here to share with you how I clean my 7.5-foot pre-lit artificial Christmas tree. You'll need a chair, a container of plain water, a couple pieces of soft lint-free cloth, the tree stand, a clothespin or a clip, a dust mask, a pair of gloves, and long sleeves. Unplug the tree, separate the sections, then take them to a well-ventilated area, or better yet, outside. Clean each section one at a time. Place one section on the stand by inserting the pole into the hole in the stand. This lends to easy rotation and control of the tree as you clean it. Wet the pieces of cloth and wring them fairly dry. They should be damp, not dripping wet. Starting at the top row of the tree, carefully wipe the branches and tips individually. Make sure to fluff them as you go along. Work your way from the top row all the way through the bottom row. Be very gentle as you don't want to ruin your tree. Be reminded that this tree is in fact pre-lit. If you look closely, you can see the light string and its bulbs. Because of the roughness of the artificial tree, I recommend that you wear gloves and long sleeves while handling yours to prevent you from getting scratches and bruises. Once you finish cleaning that first branch, use a clothespin or clip to mark where you started to prevent unnecessary cleaning repetitions. Artificial trees can become very dusty after long months of storage, so it's advisable that you clean them in a well-ventilated area. Personally, I prefer to clean mine outside, and I also wear a dust mask because of my allergy issues. Change the water when it becomes cloudy because of the dust from the tree. Repeat the cleaning steps for all sections of your tree. When you finish cleaning each section, go ahead and fluff the branches and tips. You'll have to fluff the tree when it's assembled. So at this stage, you can definitely give yourself a head start. Be gentle with the fluffing because you don't want to ruin your tree. When you're finished, remove the section and leave it to air out for at least an hour or so. After that, assemble a tree at your preferred location in your home or in your office or wherever. Then go ahead and decorate it to your heart's content. Have a Merry Christmas and enjoy your tree.